Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sania Audrian and I am a student in Aba Dian Cipta Cendekia, Bandar Lampung. So in this video, I'm going to present a presentation of my final task with the title of The Need of Using English for Front Office Employees in Horizon Hotel. As for the reason why I choose to research this is first, it cannot be denied that globalization era makes English rapidly grow in the world. English has grown rapidly in many sectors such as in economics, politics, science, tourism, business, and education. English can be said as a global language in the world because almost all people in the world use English to communicate, not only in big cities but also cities like Bandar Lampung. On important note, hospitality industry is said to be the fastest growing industry. Travel, lodging, food services, and recreation are part of the industry. Hospitality industry is said to give 200 million jobs. So, it has a lot of chances for people to enter the industry. Not only that, people went out from their house for many reasons. For example, to eat in a restaurant for about an hour, or for a longer period of time if they want to have a 2-day seminar and a location is far from their house, surely they need a place to stay temporarily. Nowadays, the place or hotel is not only for locals but also for foreigners. In order to serve the guests, the hotel employee must know what are the guest needs. And to know the guest needs, they need communication. If the guests are domestics, the use of language will probably be in Indonesia. However, if the guests are foreigners, then the hotel needs to use English to communicate with them. Now, the identification of the problem is that first, what is the need of English communication for front office staff in Horizon Hotel? And second, is there any improvement of English competence of front office staffs after the English class? The objective of the research is to know the English communication needs for front office staff in Horizon Hotel, Bandar Lampung. 2 is to improve the English competence of front office staff in Horizon Hotel Lampung. And the scope of the research is because this study has a limitation of the research, it is implemented for all employees in the front office department at Horizon Hotel Lampung. The researcher is implementing the research for 1 month and a half. It started from 12th of April 2021 and at the end of March 2021. The object of the research is all of the employees in the front office department in Horizon Hotel. 7 employees will be chosen as a sample of the research. There are also benefits of the research. The benefits gained from this research are, first, to help other writers in having reference material and information in doing other researches and developments. Second is, the participants' lived experience will improve their understanding of English competence in order to actualize their own potential better. And third is the finding of this study hopefully can give input in the field of English for specific purposes, especially English for hospitality industry. Now, as for the theoretical review, there are some framework theories of this research, such as first the English communication skills, English for specific purposes, and front office personnel. And as for the method of the research, to investigate the need of using English of Horizon Hotel front officers, A questionnaire will be used as primary data sources. The questionnaire was enclosed, closed, and ended question. To support investigation deeper about the needs, the observation will be used. The researcher will observe the English competency of Hotel Horizon workers during English class. Thank you for watching for today. See you.